What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Shiba Inu today because yesterday we made a prediction with Shiba Inu predicting that it would have this rise in price action. Even the previous day before that, if you watch the last 3 videos, I show how Shiba Inu could possibly be bullish. Even though I did mention what could happen in a bearish scenario, I definitely mentioned how the bullish scenario could play out, and it's playing out just like that. But we're going to go over this. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Definitely look inside of the comment section and leave a comment. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also hit the like button, subscribe, because it really does help the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. And if you also want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description. Use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. Now let's go over Shiba Inu. So the first thing you want to look at is the 24-hour market control. It's showing that the 24-hour market control is in control by the bulls by 80%. So yes, we are 80% bullish here in Shiba Inu. Now look at this. So yesterday, I pretty much mentioned, well, the day before that, I mentioned this right here. We were going on this downtrend, but I was like, look, this area right here, this green bar, that's supply and demand. The green bars show more demand when we hit that area. So the second we hit that green area, we had more demand and we went on uptrend. And as soon as we hit on that uptrend, we just started going crazy parabolic. And now down here from 3-4 below, it's all green. From 3-4 below, it's all green demand, showing that's all high demand. So even if Shiba Inu did a retracement back to 3.7, we have high demand at 3.4. If we did a retracement back to 3.5, we have the high demand at 3.4. So it doesn't matter if we go down that low, we still have high demand. It doesn't even matter if we go all the way down to 3.0, we still have high demand for Shiba Inu. So this is probably going to be a situation where we just start to rise, have a little bit of a drop in price, take a little bit of a correction, and not really a correction, but a pullback, and then a more rise in price. That's pretty much what we've been seeing. Like, look, yesterday we hit this area right here. The second that we hit that resistance, I was like, look, we're probably going to go pull back a little bit here. So this is what I drew yesterday. I was like, look, we're probably going to do something like this. We're going to go up on this little trend here, and then eventually what you're going to see is Shiba Inu go onto an uptrend from there. So this is exactly what we did. We actually hit the supply and demand down here, and the second we hit it, we went on the uptrend that I mentioned here. And then the second we hit this area of supply and demand, we started to create more green supply and demand area. So now the next thing that we want to talk about is up here. So first I want to talk about the chance of reversal. The chance of reversal pretty much just shows that there's about to be a pullback and there's about to be some more selling coming on Shiba Inu. And we're actually about to retest the supply and demand area of 3.7. So expect a little bit of a pullback. Maybe it goes to 3.8, maybe it goes to 3.7. But there is going to be a little bit of a pullback before this next pump. And that's if there is a next pump. Because remember, anything can happen in the crypto market. We got to really watch the overall crypto market. Everything is recovering nicely and well. Bitcoin 5.4% for the last 24 hours, Ethereum 3.3%. So we are recovering nicely inside of crypto, but you definitely want to make sure to watch what's about to happen next, because look, this is what I mentioned. Now these red areas up here show less demand, but look, the red areas are slowly fading away and they're slowly starting to become obsolete, meaning that we might start to create some green areas of supply and demand up here. Remember, the red areas of supply and demand show less demand. The green areas show more demand. So pretty much this is what my prediction is. My prediction is that we do a little bit of a pullback here, right? And that we pull back down to 0.00037. And if we do pull back down to 3.7 or 3.8, then we'll have enough momentum to go up here to the 4.0 area or the 4.4 area. And then after that, we're going to have another pullback, another correction. Now that correction is going to be the one that determines whether this whole thing was a bull trap or not. So at 4.4, you will see some consolidation pretty much. We're going to hit that area all the way up here, and then we're going to go back down on the downtrend and then retest this support back down here at 3.8. There's going to be consolidation. Now, this will tell us whether or not this next pump is pretty much a bull trap or this whole pump that was really going on. So that's why I drew all that yesterday. So it pretty much says we go from here all the way up here to this consolidation area. So we start going down on a downward triangle, and then there's going to be our consolidation leading us down to our previous support. Now, that's just a prediction. Remember, this is all speculation. Anything can happen, but according to what's been happening inside the market, this is what I believe could possibly happen very soon. Now, maybe it doesn't get up to this area here where we go before we start consolidating or not, but it's still worth a shot, right? Because previously, like the previous predictions that I've made have been right. I'm not trying to sound like a guru or anything, but if you check the last 3 videos and you watch how the charts were moving and you watch where I said it would go next, it kind of did what I said it would do next. Now, I did mention the bearish scenarios that could happen if we don't become bullish, which is this supply and demand area here from 3.4 down to 3.3, or this supply and demand area here from 3.3 down to 3.2. Now, the one down here all the way at 3.0 and 2.9, that's the 100% bearish momentum, and that you will see a huge crash come if we go below 2.8 again. Like we did once back here, but if we go below it again, it's definitely going to be a huge crash. But it looks like right now that was what gave us our momentum, getting that low down to that supply and demand of 2.8 and 2.9. But anyways, let's go over this from someone else's perspective. So this is from FX Street. They said Shiba Inu holders get Christmas early as SHIB price eyes 25% upswing. So we've been seeing a lot of movement here inside Shiba Inu. So SHIB price meets heavy resistance after 30% breakout. Yes, we are meeting some heavy resistance right now, but the momentum that we built is definitely possible to break out of that. So Shiba Inu price has seen an explosive 30% advance over the last 48 hours. A minor retracement should give buyers a chance to recuperate, triggering another 25% upswing. That's what I was talking about. Like if we get a retracement back down to this support here of our previous supply and demand area, then that will just be the trigger that just sends us up to the moon. If we get down to this area here, then you quite possibly see us get up here to this consolidation, and that's when that will play out. Now, if it doesn't do something like this where it goes from there, then maybe it just starts to do it from here, and then it starts to go instantly on the uptrend. Anything can happen, like I said, though. So a breakdown of the range low at 0.000282 will invalidate the bullish thesis. That's pretty much what I was mentioning way back here. If we go below, that's why I like these automated trading indicators, because they're doing the technical analysis manually, but I'm just doing it automatically with these indicators. But yeah, I had the drawing tool. I was trying to scroll out. But still, with these indicators, it's really nice because it shows you where your support is more than likely to be at, and that's down here at the 2.8 area. So that shows where we have more demand at, meaning that's where our support is going to be met at. So anyway, Shiba Inu experienced a bullish onslaught over the last 2 days. Very nice. So Shiba Inu price looks ready for more gains. And right now, Shiba Inu price rallied 34%, all the way up to 378. Right now, we're at 3934. So the uptrend was a result of a liquidity run and a bounce off a significant support level. So the run was supposed to collect the buy stops resting above the 0.0008, but the bulls fell a little bit short. Now, investors can expect Shiba Inu price to see a pullback to 50% retracement level at 0.0033. So there could be a pullback coming up soon, or the retracement level at about 70% retracement. So either way, a bounce off these levels will allow sidelined investors to jump on the bandwagon, triggering another run up. So pretty much if we even do continue to trend downwards back to our previous support levels, those act pretty much as I want to say like a catalyst. Like when people get there, it's a buy the dip opportunity. So it's a major catalyst for the price action in Shiba Inu. So all we need to do is get back to these levels, and then that could happen. But right here, I want us to get back to the 3.8 level, so then no one loses hope. To the 3.8, 3.7 level, no one will lose hope right there. They'll just buy, and then they'll actually help the price go up by buying the dip. So from the 62% Fibonacci retracement level at 0.000318, Shiba Inu price can rally 19 cents before approaching the 3A area. We already hit that area, so what you'll see next is this. Continued growth in bullish momentum. We'll see SHIB continue the ascent to 0.000412, suggesting a 25% rally. 25% rally. That's what we could see next. Now, all in all, Shiba Inu price looks primed for another rally. However, we always got to go over the bullish or the bearish scenario that could happen. So, however, if SHIB fails to hold above the 79% Fibonacci retracement level at 0.000302, it will indicate weakness among buyers. If the selling pressure continues pushing SHIB to produce a 4-hour candlestick close below 0.000282, it will create a lower low, invalidating the bullish thesis. So in this scenario, Shiba Inu could crash 4% to revisit the 0.000270 support floor. So we don't want to hit that support. We really don't want to hit that support that low. Like the support that I was talking about previously at the 3.7 area, that's minor support, but it's definitely a good area to stop at because you don't want the investors to lose hope inside of the investment. So you don't want to see that happen. So what do you do then? You only go down to the minor support, not the major. So definitely do that. The liquidity is at 3.8 that they're talking about. But yeah, remember, this is all speculation. I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. We're just kind of going over this briefly and what could possibly happen next inside Shiba Inu. But yeah, you could see a retracement coming down to the 0.000302 area if we continue to go lower, and then eventually to 2.82, and then eventually to 2.7, which will be our support floor. After that, you'll just see everything break loose. You'll see crashes happen. Hopefully that doesn't happen. But yeah, like I said, I'm not a financial advisor, so I can't really tell you 100% what's going to happen. But let's talk about the price prediction for 2022 made through Yahoo Finance. So pretty much what they're expecting for Q3 and Q4, they're looking like far ahead. So Q1 and Q2 in the first quarter of 2022, the site expects the price of Shiba Inu to trade at a maximum of 0.000084. That's very nice for Q1 and Q2. That's very nice. That's pretty much almost past our all-time high. I'm pretty sure our all-time high was a little bit higher than that. Oh yeah, at 8616 was our all-time high. So we can get up to our all-time high in Q1 and Q2 is pretty much what they're talking about. Now, Q3 and Q4, the steady growth is expected to continue in the third quarter and reach a maximum price of 0.000093 by September. So the forecasted price in the fourth quarter is a maximum of 0.000098, and eventually only 3 zeros and a 1 by January 2023. That's what they're talking about. I think that could happen a lot earlier, a lot sooner. But hey, let's see what happens inside the long term. But anyways, let's talk about Shiba Inu holders. Anyways, you can see over here 12.1% in the last 24 hours. That's a lot. 18.7% in the last 7 days. Shiba Inu doing some nice numbers right here. But let's talk about the holders. We're almost at 1.1 million holders for Shiba Inu. We have 1,085,350 or 330 or yeah, something like that. 1,085,035 people in Shiba Inu. That's huge right there. And now Shiba Inu is literally about to get to 1.1 million holders by next year. Like that's going to be pretty big. But anyways, this is all I got for you all today. I just wanted to go over this and let you know exactly what's coming up next inside Shiba Inu. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Definitely hit the like button, subscribe. It really does help the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.